Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this frosty blue eyeshadow look. So if you enjoy this video, be sure to like it, comment down below, and subscribe. So the idea I had in mind for this eyeshadow look was Frozen 2, since the movie did just come out and I seen part 1 and I loved it. I was like, let's go for some icy Elsa vibes. Let's try to build a snowman and all of this within one look, and I think I did pretty good. If you agree or disagree, leave a comment below and let me know. I got a lot of questions on this glitter on my Instagram. This is Chrissy Cindy Cosmetics glitter. I've had it for almost a year and a half now, and it's only $2. So make sure you go over there and check it out and get you some glitter. They're at a really great price, and they're super pigmented. So I got this palette off Shop Hush, and the app I think is shut down for some odd reason of whatever it may be, but you can Google this and it pops up on Amazon, it pops up on fishpond.com and a few other websites, so you can definitely get this. And this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you recreate this video, just tag me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye.